What is Siser EasySubli? EasySubli is a matte heat transfer vinyl that is able to be sublimated. As per Siser, the ideal process is to use a Sawgrass printer with EasySubli inks. This vinyl is pressed at around 310 degrees Fahrenheit and can be applied to any type of fabric. It has a rough side and a shiny side. I don't have a Sawgrass printer or EasySubli inks. Can I still use Siser EasySubli? No problem. Some people have luck printing onto EasySubli with their converted Epson printers. Another option is to sublimate onto the EasySubli. There are two ways to do this. You can press the EasySubli first, then line up your print over it and press that. Or you can press it between parchment paper and then apply it to your fabric. This is called the two-step method. This two-step option is ideal if you are dealing with dark or heat-sensitive materials because sublimation is a much hotter and longer press time than just applying it as HTV. High heat and time can cause dye migration, and color from the shirt could seep through the white parts of your EasySubli. Can I use my regular home or office printer to print on EasySubli vinyl? No, this heat transfer vinyl is only made for sublimation inks. I don't have a heat press. Can I use an iron or my Cricut Easy Press? I would not suggest using an iron as you cannot control the temperature of it. If you want to use an Easy Press, make sure you use a lot of pressure and as a security step, press the back as well. How long does a print last? As per Siser, EasySubli lasts up to 50 washes. How does EasySubli feel on a shirt? Since EasySubli is a heat transfer vinyl, it definitely has a hand to it. It does not feel like sublimation and maybe a little more of a feel than traditional HTV, but it definitely doesn't feel like a big piece of plastic. It is movable and comfortable and does get softer with wear and washing. Where can I buy Siser EasySubli HTV? Many online distributors sell it, such as Heat Press Nation, Pro World, Condi, Heat Transfer Warehouse, and Amazon. I've even heard that local craft stores like Michael's and Joann's are starting to carry it as well. Can I use EasySubli on anything? No, EasySubli is made to be heat transferred to fabrics, not hard surfaces. You can press it on any color of cotton, polyester, or a blend. What is the process for using EasySubli? These are general steps of how it works. You can watch my previous video on EasySubli to learn how to do the parchment paper method as well. Step 1. Find your image and open it up in a program that you can print from. Step 2. If you are printing directly to the EasySubli, print it unmirrored on the rough side. The back side is the plastic backing sheet. If you're going to use the two-step method, send the print to your sublimation printer mirrored and print on sublimation paper. Step 3. At this point, many people want a particular shape cut out. If you are cutting on your Cricut or Silhouette machine, cut the EasySubli rough side up, unmirrored. Step 4. Weed and peel your EasySubli off the backing sheet or use the EasySubli mask to pull it away. Remove the mask after pressing. Option 1, if you printed directly onto the EasySubli, place it onto your shirt and press for 15 seconds at 310 degrees Fahrenheit with medium to firm pressure. If you're using option 2, press your blank EasySubli onto your shirt for 15 seconds at 310 degrees Fahrenheit with medium to firm pressure. Then line up your sublimation print over it face down. Cover that with parchment paper. and do not use craft paper here, and press at 365 to 385 for 45 to 60 seconds. You may want to test this as heat presses can vary. Finally, option 3, which is the two-step method using parchment paper. I've been using this method for a long time and found that it has given me amazing and vibrant results. I've also found that paper matters. Invest in Reynolds brand unwaxed parchment paper. Also, this method will not work if you use the EasySubli mask. First, lay your printed sublimation transfer face up on parchment. Then peel off the EasySubli from the plastic backing sheet and align it on top of your sublimation print, rough side down. I find it helpful to add a bleed border to my printed design so you can see a thin border around the EasySubli when you do this. This way you ensure that all of the subli is getting ink. Then cover the top with parchment paper and press for 3 seconds at 365. This gentle heat begins to activate the adhesive on the subli so it sticks to the parchment paper a bit. Now carefully flip the whole thing so that the sublimation transfer is face down. Press at 365 to 385 for 45 to 60 seconds. Then let it cool, but not cold. Then remove the sublimation print and gently remove the subli from the parchment. If you encounter sticking, this is because your heat is too high, your time is too long, or your pressure is too high. I suggest to do some testing before jumping into your first project. EasySubli is very expensive. Finally, lower your heat to 310 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your sublimated EasySubli onto your shirt. Cover with a fresh sheet of parchment paper and press for 15 seconds. Now your sublimation design is completed. You want to be able to see the fibers a little bit, but not the color of the shirt. For good measure, wait 24 hours before washing or stretching the item. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all about Siser EasySubli. If you have any more questions, please comment below and I would love to answer them. Thank you for watching.